pumpkin cake crunch cake.
We have been baking all day today, hey?
Yeah.
Well, I have anyways.
We were. It doesn't smell that good right now.
But you like pumpkin cake, just pumpkin cake. This is a little bit different. So.
I like it because Alicia made it last time.
No, Alicia didn't make this before. I make it.
Stop. Pumpkin.
All right,
Now
so.
what we're gonna start with.
Well, first I've got all the ingredients because I've been baking.
Pie,
That's cake.
Sugar.
Sugar.
Okay, pie mix.
It's opened. It's don't open. Don't touch.
And pop.
All right, so Gabby, what we need is 2 cups of the pumpkin puree. So what I need you to do is to fill this. This is a half a cup, so we need 4 of these. So you're gonna do 2, and Angel's gonna do 2. So I need you to fill that cup up, okay?
All the way to the top. It's already looking good. It's sticky.
It is.
Sticky. It's big cool.
Yeah, try not to make a mess.
My turn.
It's not your turn yet. She's got to do
One more.
2 of those. Yeah. Here, let's see. Put your. Try not to take such big scoops then, okay? Well, okay.
I already washed my hands.
That's right. You washed your hands.
Me too. So I was washing my doll's face. It's all dirty.
Okay, go ahead. Whatever is easiest for you, Gabby.
Ow. I still took my socks off.
Okay.
Love you, Mom.
Just get some more. Just get some more. It's okay. Ain't more than that, Gabby. Silly. We'll be here for 2 days. There's a cloth for you to wash your finger.
Mom, maybe after
Gabby,
if there's any more in the can, we can eat it.
here you go. Put that in there.
Do we need to cook it?
Okay, here. That's good. Let's.
Do we need to cook it?
Well, of course we gotta cook it.
Are we gonna put
Okay,
it on
so there's 1.
the cake? It's my turn. Your turn, Boo.
Okay, no, Gabby gets to do 2. Do 1 more, Gabby.
This one?
1 more. Just gotta fill it up 1 more time.
Should have 3 turns. After we get 3 turns.
No, she's filling it 2 times. And then you're gonna fill it 2 times.
No? Oh, yeah. She filled it 1 time, then. With my last one.
Yep.
I hate being my, I don't even like.
Okay, come on.
Pumpkins? Doing this.
You don't like doing this?
No, I always use that.
Okay, there's 2. Now Angel's turn.
That's my turn. No.
Now you fill that 2 times.
Okay. Mom. So anyway, when you're doing that,
Try not to go too fast. I don't want you flinging pumpkin all over.
like when it go like that all over her face, all over her body. Mom. So last year, my mother did. Last year.
Okay, let's see.
What's on it?
Not let Mama.
Can I eat this? Can I lick this one?
1 more. No.
Then give me my turn again. Hey, Mom.
In a minute. It's okay.
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, everything is clean. Go ahead. It's just pumpkin. It's okay, Gabby.
It tastes weird.
Mm.
You can have cook and put it on the cook.
I know.
What's that? It's almost caught.
That's cake mix to go on top. To make it crunchy. A little bit more.
I need a big That's all? Giant scoop.
Yeah. Okay.
Can I dump it?
No, not Mama. Because it's getting everywhere. Okay, so there's our 2 cups of pumpkin puree.
Now I'm gonna do
Evaporated
milk.
So we need 1.5 cups of evaporated
And my mom
milk.
put 4 eggs in.
And I did the eggs already. We got 4 eggs.
Sorry, I want to eat it right now.
Okay, so let me pour this.
Into here.
Okay, pick up the cup actually.
Okay.
Pick up the milk, hold it over the thing. Over it more, please. Okay, so let Mama pour it here.
There will be my
Dump it. Just dump it. Hold it over. Dump it. Okay. Now, Gabby can get up. No, Gabby, get up there.
Stir it.
And Gabby, you hold the measuring cup. Dump it.
The milk smells bad.
Okay, so now we're gonna listen. We got a few more things we gotta
Look, Mom, this looks like a
add in there. All right, so now Gabby, you're gonna do some sugar. So we need. Okay. You know what? Let me wipe that. Okay, so there's 1. We need 1.5 cups of sugar. So there's 1.
What are you looking like? After I want to stir it. Right.
No, we're all gonna stir it. Angel.
Sorry.
Okay, Gabby, there's 2. Dump it nice.
That dinosaur's going away.
Okay.
When I?
Now, let Angel up there.
Okay, I'm going. And I'm going to stir. No, I'm stirring.
There's Angel.
No, I am.
Okay, so now what we
stirring.
need is our pumpkin pie spice. So, let me open this.
I'm doing it first.
Okay, get the measuring spoon and hold it here.
Okay.
So, we need 2 of these. So, you can do 1.
And do 2.
Okay, get Angel, dump that.
Can we get to 2?
No,
2 again?
no.
Nope.
Okay, get down and let Gabby hold that.
Oh, wait.
Give it to Gabby.
Gabby.
There you go.
Oh, we both get 1 and 1.
Hold it over the bowl. Hold it over the bowl. Okay, dump that in.
It's so good.
And then we need 1 teaspoon of salt. And I'll do that. A little bit more because it wasn't quite full. There we go. All right, so I'm going to get the mixer ready, and we are going to mix that up.
And I'm going to hold it with my mom.
Yeah, we're mixing it.
Can people drink that milk? The milk's milk.
Okay, let's let Angel up here. It's okay. Hold it. Because just hold it, don't let it drop, okay? Because that'll be one big, huge mess. All right, let's see.
That was the not that. I feel like it hurting my hand. I want to eat.
No.
Why?
Just no. Just let me sit this like this.
Because
and
there are
let
rotten
it-
eggs in there.
No, they're not rotten eggs. Raw. It's called raw eggs, not rotten eggs. Oh, you are too silly.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, you are so silly. All right, so let me get that put away, and let me get the
Marshmallow.
Let me get the pan.
What? Pour this into.
Carefully, okay? Oh, you're spilling it.
Oopsie.
All right, let's attempt this again while I've got this cleaned. You gotta lift it all the way up,
Then.
and then pour it. There's my girl. Good job. Okay, so the next part is we have to sprinkle a box of cake. This is what we pick, always the rainbow bit one. And we got to just sprinkle the package all over the top. Slowly, honey. We got to sprinkle it, make sure it gets all Angel, you're going too fast, honey. Always go slow, so then you don't make a big mess. Don't shake it so fast and hard.
Can I dump it all?
Help, Mama. Just help. We're not dumping. We're sprinkling. Okay. Probably, let me see. Okay. So let's spread this out like this.
I tried a little piece of it.
Everywhere.
I wish I could bite.
Okay.
Gabby, it's done.
Now that that's done, we got to take 1 cup of melted butter, and we got to let me drizzle this. Got to drizzle it.
And Mom has to because it's hot.
Okay, you're pushing my arm and you're making it like go just in one spot.
Gaby's in first place. Good boy. Where do you have to melt my cake? Guys, I have my cake over there. Are we done? Can I do it?
No, just let Mama do it.
Are you stirring?
Just kind of getting the margarine.
What's margarine?
The butter that we just put.
It smells like popcorn.
Oh my goodness, listen to those kids.
Yeah, I'm gonna see what they're doing. Look what we got. Look what we made.
All right, now we're gonna put it in the oven. I'm just putting it in the oven at 350 for like an hour to an hour and 20 minutes.